I will have a Spanish breakfast today, but first I'll put some music on. Dance a little bit. Alright, what do I have in the fridge? I need 2 tomatoes, 1 avocado, and a bun. First, cut the bun and toast it a little bit. Then, grind the tomatoes with a grinder. The bread is ready. Now, split the avocado and remove the pit. I also need some olive oil and some salt. Good. Now, coffee. I grind coffee beans and make coffee in a coffee maker. I have some soy milk and cow milk. Today I prefer soy milk. Now sprinkle some olive oil on the toasts and add tomatoes. I prefer the second toast with avocado. Add a little bit of salt. Some people like to put a slice of ham on it, but we're vegetarians, so no pig suffered for this video. I will add a teaspoon of sugar in my coffee and stir it. Let's try. It tastes pretty good. I love it. What do I want to have for lunch? And for dinner? Maybe I need more coffee.